Welcome to our gorgeous listing that we are bringing on in Carmel Woods neighborhood of Carmel-by-the-Sea. It is a very special property. It has rumored to be the personal residence of well-known local architect Guy Koepp. He is renowned for doing some well-known properties in downtown Carmel, notably La Rambla and the Carmel Dairy Building. He decided to pick this beautiful site in Carmel Woods for its location and also its views, and he built this gorgeous Spanish-style home. The current owner has done some lovely updates, but you will still see nods to its original 1930s origination. The property is located on a large, nearly half-acre sized lot. It allows privacy and also plenty of space to enjoy living outdoors. It also allows you to enjoy gorgeous sunsets every day from either the backyard or the lovely patio and deck that you can access off of the kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful 1930s Spanish home in Carmel Woods. Our team looks forward to hearing from you, and if you have any questions or would like a private tour, please reach out to us directly. You can also contact us on our website, vanbaseypeterson.com. Thank you.